something video of Congolese dance tutorials. We are here today to teach you another move, and this one is called LOPELE. Something we grew up with when we were a bit younger. Jube, we love you for this one. LOPELE is basically the tail of a fish. So in the song, it actually goes Mutu, which is head, Libu, the belly, and then you turn over and show them your tail. But we don't have tails. But that's something I like about Congolese dances. It's like it always derives from something. So you will always understand like where it's kind of coming from, depending on the lyrics of the song or what the move is doing or what is mimicking. So pay close attention. Right. So the move LOPELE, how it goes. You have to obviously use your legs and your hips. Those are quite important. And what happens is you kind of have to go. Oh, this one is gonna be it's gonna be a hard one. So the one is not the simple just turn. It's to do with your knees, and I'm gonna explain why. When you're whining, you just whine. Now to add that break, like I'm doing something completely different, is emphasizing that leg, that dip. So dip. So I'm still whining the same. Like if I'm not trying to dip, whine, and dip. Yeah, I hope that makes sense. Yeah, so let me I'll face this way. So because when you do the move, you kind of bend over anyway, so you're going 1 2 3 4. Yeah, so this way, who knows? 5 6 7 and 1 2 3 4. Yeah, so what I do with my hands now is I'm just going, so I'm predominantly left footed, so my dip is more on my left. That's my little cheat. Predominantly on my left, so I use my left leg to kind of guide me. You can face that way and it'll be more righty, if that makes sense, or a bit more lefty, but you're kind of still kind of center. So your arms, what they do is to go, I will use my right hand first to dip left, right, left, and then on that last move I go step, and then you come back and again. Yeah, you just repeat the move, and that's how it goes in the chorus. But if you're trying to use this in another routine or whatever, it don't matter. So it's 1 2 3 4 and step, and again and again and again and again and step. Yeah, makes sense? So now we're gonna try it with some music. Oh, exciting. So much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video and our other videos, and I hope that you enjoy our videos to come. So make sure that you switch on all your notifications, subscribe, like and comment below. Thank you so much for the continuous support, and may God bless you all. See you soon.
Mario ingaba bongiso bemposwa matama na pomade.